Oh, there it is. Probably the rear flank downdraft. Across right over the road in front of us. A tornado warning remains in effect for northern